Hi, and welcome back. As Stealthywood grows more and more, we need more talented people to join us. With recruitment comes the recruitment process, and it's very important because this process will speak volumes about our company and is a direct reflection of Stealthywood's professionalism. Of course, there are also many benefits to a good recruitment process, and these will be easier to achieve with a good recruitment software. A traditional recruitment method would mean a lot of administrative work and tedious tasks for my HR team, meaning they're spending less time recruiting and more time doing annoying things. Who wants that? With good recruitment software, they can focus on what they are good at, such as making our applicants pass a VoIP comp test, while everything else will be sped up and automated. At the same time, I can use recruitment software to receive applications from a wide range of sources. Then I can gather candidate data and find a heap of useful information. This is really important when it comes to choosing the best candidate. I can also analyze from which source my candidates come from and optimize my recruitment budget, spending money where it's useful. For these reasons, we will use Odoo's recruitment app that will allow Stealthywood to set up job boards and promote job listings easily. After that, we will keep track of submitted applications and follow every applicant based on an automatically built database of skills and profiles with indexed documents. For that purpose, we will create a Kanban view with customized steps so our recruitment process will meet our needs. With the accurate statistics feature, we will then have a good overview of our recruitment pipeline and more opportunities to find the rare gem. So let's build this in our company's database. All right, so here I am on my database. Let's go ahead and jump directly to the recruitment application. From here, we're going to have an overview of all of the job positions that we are currently recruiting for or we are about to start recruiting for. All right, and to create a job position, you simply have to go to Configuration, Job Positions, Create. So let's go ahead and create a new one right now. All right, so we're going to call this Assistant to the Superhero, let's say. All right, and then we can choose our company, okay, the website. And this will be if you're in a multi-company environment or a multi-website environment, okay? We can choose the department. So let's say this is management. All right, and then we can even select the interview form, So I'm going to choose recruitment form, which we can create using the Surveys app. And we can also create one quickly on the fly by clicking the Create and Edit button. Right, we can even choose a responsible. So let's say we have someone from our HR department who's in charge of all of the interviews for this position, everything related to the recruitment for this position, or even for this department. So we're going to go ahead and select the person. So let's say that Judy is in charge of this. Okay, and then we can even say how many people we expect to hire for this position. So the expected new employees are 2. We need 2 assistants to the superhero. It's a big job. All right, then we can choose our default contract. However, we don't need to add one, and I'm not going to do that. Then let's go ahead and add a job description. I'll say this job is the best. You'll love it. And then save. Once it's saved at the top, we're going to see that this recruitment is in progress. All right, and then we can do a few other things here as well. So, of course, we can check out the applications, employees, and documents, but we can also add some trackers, okay, so that we know what medium our applicants are using. All right, from here, we're going to go back to our dashboard. So I can go to that page either by clicking on recruitment or job positions. And I see that job position right here. It's added. Now from the dashboard, we have a couple of really convenient options that we can do right here. So first of all, we can start recruitment by clicking on the Start Recruitment button. We can even see how many employees are hired. We can go directly to our applicants. We can see if there are any documents uploaded. So for example, if we click on this little book, we see that no one has uploaded their CV for consultancy, but if we go to our experienced developers, we do have one CV uploaded and we can access that quickly from this overview. We can even end a recruitment period by clicking on these 3 little dots and going to recruitment done. Something else that's convenient is that from the same 3 little dots, we can even go back to our the settings of the job position. So we're going to click on edit. And let's go ahead and publish this. So I'm going to click on publish. And once I do that, it's going to redirect me to the website. All right, so I have the page here, which I can review. I can even edit this if I need to. So I click on edit. I have some building blocks on the left. All right, so if you want to learn more about customizing your website pages, be sure you check out our website videos. So let's save this for now. And let's go ahead and apply because it sounds like a pretty cool position, assistant to the superhero. So we're going to apply now. All right, we'll fill in the information. So Amy Caroline. My email, ac@example.com, and my phone number. Okay, even a short introduction. So I'll say, hi, I'm the best. You'll love me. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and upload our resume as well. All right, so we're going to upload resume. It's titled William CV. I might be impersonating him, but nobody needs to know that. Should be okay. And then we'll submit. Once we submit, we're going to be redirected to a congratulations page, which is awesome. And then we can go ahead and check out the rest of the website. But we don't need to do that because we built the website, so we know it like the back of our hand. So let's go back to our recruitment application. Recruitment. Okay, and then we can go ahead and look at the application. So I'm going to applications. I see Amy Caroline's right here. So let's go ahead and check out her information. So as you can see, there are a lot of fields here. There's a lot of information we can enter, such as, let's say we already have her email, her phone number, and the job she's applied for, but we can even add the source if she was referred by someone. Let's say after the first or second interview, we might have the ability to have an expected salary or proposed salary. Okay, so we can add that information right here. If she uploaded any documents, we'll see in the chatter, and we'll also be able to access it right here. If we select on this, first of all, we see that this is William's CV, not Amy Caroline's. So that's already a red flag, but we can go ahead and download it by clicking on this button. Okay, so let's go back to Amy Caroline's application. So we can even create meetings from this page, start an interview, which will give us questions related to the job. We can print the interview. Okay, again, we can access the documents and the contracts once we've created them. And then we can change the stage as well. So let's go ahead and say that Amy Caroline has her first interview. Judy is going to be responsible for this, but she was so awesome that we're going to go ahead and jump to the contract proposal. All right. That's not normal for us because, as you can see, we do normally have a second interview before that stage, but she was really cool. So we're going to go ahead and jump there. And once we do that, we can even generate the offer link directly from this page as well, this application page. So let's go ahead and click on that button. We can add the contract template. All right, if you don't have one yet, like me, you can create and edit one on the fly. Add the job title, contract type, if they're in relations with customers, can request a new car, the vehicle, all the information you need, employee budget, and then you can provide them with the simulation link. We can even click on send offer. So let's go ahead and cancel this for now. Let's imagine we sent an offer and Amy Caroline accepted and signed the contract. Okay, from this page, we can even create the new employee by clicking on the Create Employee button. All right, so we will have all of the fields that we would have if we were creating the employee from the employee's application. All right, so as you saw, we didn't have to go back to our main dashboard and then to the employee's app to create. We could do that right here. All right, so of course, we'll add her work information, private information, and HR settings. So how easy is that? Really, everything can be done from the same place, which saves your HR department a ton of time, and it's also really easy and convenient for your applicants as well. Now, something else that's really great about this application are our resumes and letters. Excuse me. So if we come here, we can see all of the resumes and letters that have been uploaded. All right, but something that's really neat, if we want to search for a keyword, so for example, let's search for all of our applicants who come from France, we can go to France and search the content. And we're going to see all of the documents that have that inside, that word or that keyword or phrase inside of them. All right, so it's just a really easy way if you're searching for one language in particular. For example, if you need your assistant to speak Spanish, you can search Spanish here and see if someone has that on their CV. All right, so again, that just saves you a ton of time, and it's just a really cool feature to take advantage of. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.